crispy potatoes. No one wants to eat a soggy fry. Okay, so here's how we do it. We're going to start with a perforated sheet pan. Remember that that heat is going to come from the top and from the bottom, and it's going to circulate that potato product, and it's going to give you that real crunch with that soft potato center. Now you may be tempted to take and reach for a piece of parchment paper. Okay, we don't want to use this, do we? No, because that's going to close up all of our wonderful holes, and that's going to stop that heat from coming up through there. So we don't want to use the parchment paper. But we do love our dishwasher, and I don't mean the machine, right? The dishwasher. So we're going to take a bit of food release, and we're going to spray this on our pan. And I like to get those corners. Next, we're going to take the potatoes. So here we have a 5-pound bag of potatoes. Now you may be tempted to put them all in the center and then push 2.5 pounds forward, 2.5 pounds toward you, but you're never going to get a real evenness. So what you want to do is sort of start at the top and then come down through the center, releasing that bag. Then we just take our gloved hands and we're going to shake the pan, get those fries off of one another so that we get that heat circulating all the way around. That is going to give you a crispy fry in the Combi every time. For more information on using perforated sheet pans, please see Cooking Breaded Meats.